Right. Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So there are three things I may want to talk about. Okay. So I'm gonna get straight to the point number one. Now, if I remove all the drawings and I show you what is going on, then you have a channel of SHIB that has been created for quite a long time. So we have this little bit of a trend line coming up, and you also have the lower support line coming in as well. So this is clearly one of your channel that is forming up. Now, if we go with the flow of the channel, then hopefully the next move is going to be up here, touch the line, and probably break above, and then go up and shoot up to the moon, come back to where you came from, which is nearly 4,400, and everything is going to be good. So this here is the very first thing. Okay, so you just like you had this, you moved up, you came down, eventually you continue to go to the upside, you moved up, you came down, eventually you're just going to continue and then go and then break above and then move to the upside. Now the second thing is that if we go back into the 4-hour time frame here, then you have your support and resistances that has already been broken. So if we take the trend line and we place the trend line, here you are. That's the second thing, which actually shows that resistance, okay, break above, came down, retested, and now it's probably time you go back up and you touch this upper trend line, which is nearly at 2000. Now these are two things I've already talked about. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the monthly time frame, number three. Okay, the point number three, and the monthly time frame here is looking awesome. You have high frequency doji, and I'm personally on the side of looking at August continue to go back to the upside. And if you do something like this and then you have September and October, you know, October is going to be a very good month in crypto. I can actually tell you with a lot of confidence that October is about to get crazy, and it's probably the month historically that has kicked off a bull run. So you're not very far. The time is coming to an end. The time to kill zeros is about to come. I'm responsible of killing zeros. I want to kill zeros. If you want me to kill zero, hey, like this video. Now, speaking of the bull run coming around the corner, are you really prepared? Because I have SHIB, and SHIB is one of my biggest holding for the next bull run. I believe SHIB is going to be doing huge 20, 30x's. I can see a 30x from here, 20x from here. If anything above is just a bonus. Okay, that's just a tip and icing on the cake as well. But other than SHIB, what if SHIB does fail? Okay, don't get emotional about it. You like SHIB, even I like it. What if it fails? Are you having a portfolio that can still perform and give you returns? If no, my private is still open. Today's like 27. In 3 days, I'm going to close it. And if you want to join, message me. And I'm going to give you some coins we can discuss. And I'm going to tell you some coins that I think are still cheap right now. And especially, I have one that is just so good, really good, that once you join, I'm going to tell you to buy here. And that can actually really change the game. It's just one of the good coin out there that I know. Layer 1 in the top 20 in crypto, and it has been here for so many years. Okay, so that can definitely be something that should be or must be in your, maybe it is in your portfolio. Okay, it's actually popular. So that's all for the video, and let's see what SHIB does, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.